Hi guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Today I want to show you one of the good traffic accommodation of traffic. It's a road construction project. So road signs are very important when you are doing the road project, because road signs, they communicate with the community, speed limits, some information. If you are doing maybe some blasting, you need to put some notice boards in advance so that they know that on this date there will be some blasting. If you'll be closing the road as well, you need to communicate through the signages as well in advance, so that they know that on this day the road is closed. I haven't seen a flag person yet. Probably, I don't know why they didn't add a flag person. Maybe it's because they've got enough road signs, they've got enough information on the road. So sometimes maybe there is no need if the information is available and your accommodation of traffic is so good like this. I think this is one of the best. They are also doing the bridge. They've got a good scaffolding as well. I'll show you just now. We're about to pass the bridge. They've got some good scaffolding. This is the bridge. I think they are doing this one is an existing bridge. They are also doing a new bridge as well. I think this one will be demolished after they've completed the new bridge. This is the scaffold that I was talking about. It's so good, so neat. I think it was erected with the competent people. This is good. This is good. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.